Did you know a Doomsday cult once tried to end the world using poison gas on a subway? In 1995, members of Aum Shinrikyo walked onto 5 Tokyo train lines during morning rush hour. They punctured plastic bags filled with deadly sarin nerve gas and walked away. 13 people died. Thousands were poisoned. The cult leader, Shoko Asahara, had convinced his followers they were saving humanity by triggering the apocalypse. They had been secretly making chemical weapons and testing biological experiments on their own members for years.